Hi there, and welcome to Art That Wows, the ultimate guide to creating pop art. My name is Amanda, aka The Buzzed Artist, and I am going to be walking you through step by step throughout this entire course, holding your hand and showing you the beautiful world of pop art. Ever since I was a little kid, I doodled and did so many different types of comics and little graphic novellas centered around my love of the human face and its various emotions. Through 20 years worth of knowledge and experimentation on my part, I put together all the information that I know into this course so that I can walk you through it and show you exactly my process for making my own pop art. So if you are absolutely enthralled with pop art, comic books, but you don't really know how to start, how to put together a face, or even how to put together the right colors to convey a certain powerful message, you have come to the right place. This course is going to tackle all of that. So what you can expect, not only the basics of how to put together a face and composition, as well as color theory and the right types of colors to convey the right message, you are going to complete a final piece with me. Then you're going to be equipped with the arsenal to create even more pop art according to your own style. This course is actually divided up into 4 different modules. Module 1 is all about drawing basics. Here you're going to be learning about how to draw specific features like eyes, noses, ears, and how to place them appropriately on the face so that they are proportional. Module 2, we're going to be doing our final drawing piece using everything that we have learned from Module 1. Module 3 is all about painting basics, color mixing, color theory, and how to convey the right messages that really get the big pop wow in your artwork. Module 4, we're going to be taking everything that we learned in Module 3. You'll be able to walk away with a final product at the very end of this course. How exciting is that? Now, the one thing I want to stress about this course is that it all takes practice and practical application. And at the end of every lesson, I will be giving you an assignment. That way you can practice and really get the hang of a certain feature or a certain concept. To ensure your success in completing these lessons and doing the assignments, I actually set up a private Facebook group. Here you'll be posting your lesson assignments and ask any questions that you have. I think this is a really great way to keep yourself accountable and motivated, surrounded by people that really want to see you succeed. In addition, I'm going to be providing you with a list of materials. You can see that in the materials section of this course. And last but not least, I'm going to be giving you all the reference pictures in each lesson.
And of course, the proof is always in the pudding. I've collected feedback from my students who have taken this course with me, and they reported that in just a matter of 4 weeks, they saw significant improvement with their artwork, gaining the confidence that they need and the know-how to actually expertly put together a picture and make a compelling story out of it.
So with that being said, let's go ahead and start this course.